Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacy Storino from Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, and in this video, I'm going to show you what our multiple award-winning ice cream stand goes through to create our hot-selling Valentine's Day chocolate-covered strawberries. Plus, learn about the 8 great tips we use, and maybe they'll help you if you want to make these from home yourself. So make sure you hit that like button if you're excited, and be sure to subscribe to get a helping of our delicious videos every single week. Plus, make sure that you watch until the end so that you can learn how to save big at Joe's and get the inside scoop on some of the hottest ice cream and designer food trends in the industry too. Now, if you've always wanted to know how one of the most successful ice cream stands in the United States, like Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, creates the hottest selling Valentine's Day chocolate-covered strawberries that Dutchess County, New York has ever seen, well, you've come to the right place. But before I dive in, if you're looking for all of the hottest ice cream and designer food trends in the industry, as either a consumer or a business, even if you're never going to come by to visit Joe's in person, you definitely want to sign up for our Sunday Inside Scoop. Plus, if you are going to see us, you'll want to pick up your instant coupon too. Good for your next visit. You can register for both simultaneously by clicking on the link below this video. The Valentine's Day chocolate-covered strawberries are part of the 10-piece product line of cakes, pies, and other goodies, which make up our Cupid collection. That's made us a local legend at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill. And do you know why we can make our Valentine's Day chocolate-covered strawberries so magical that people place exclusive special orders for them and other pieces in the Cupid collection when we're otherwise closed to the public until March 1st each year? We've been featured in places like the Wall Street Journal and ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox News, and more. Bottom line, we know what we're doing. Now you can learn too. Nothing says Valentine's Day more than chocolate-covered strawberries. Am I right? When we sell our Valentine's Day chocolate-covered strawberries, they're typically sold in lots of 12, 18, or 24. Making them involves a great deal of effort and care. Here are a few tips that help us to create the most sweet and sumptuous bites possible. Tip 1. Be sure up front that you've got plenty of space in your fridge for the cookie sheet or sheets that you've got queued up, lined with either wax or parchment paper. Tip 2. Be fussy when you pick the strawberries to dip. Not just any will do. They can't be too ripe because then they'll get mushy. They can't be too nearly ripe because then they'll stand up fine but taste gross. Tip 3. Do not chill the berries in advance. Use room temperature ones instead. Tip 4. After you wash the strawberries, make sure that they are super dry. Otherwise, the chocolate will not go on and stay on smooth. Tip 5. Melted chocolate with butter added to it makes for a better, smoother texture to coat those ruby red gems. Try 2 teaspoons of butter for every 8 ounces of chocolate for the best mixture of materials. Tip 6. Use a double boiler. If you don't have one, put water in a small saucepan and put a glass bowl over it. Keep the water at a low simmer, not a boil. That's too much. Tip 7. Once each berry is dipped into the chocolate butter mix as far as you can, then shake off the excess and take care to cover any missed spots. Then tip the berry upside down as you put it on the paper so that it stays well covered. Tip 8. Chilling and hardening should only take 15 to 30 minutes or so, but don't keep the strawberries in there for too long or the chocolate will get chalky and weird. We put our berries in a tight container to keep the air out and the cool in. It's stored in a cool, dry place that is not a refrigerator. Is this a lot of work? Yes. Is this worthwhile work? Yes. Here's why. We love doing work like this for our beloved JDB family. We love saving you time, providing you with over-the-top food and desserts and cakes for over-the-top memories with the ones you love. Not just during the holidays like Valentine's Day, but all year long. If you're hard at work, when you come home, you don't have to work hard. You just have to contact us so that we can make some Valentine's Day chocolate-covered strawberries just for you and your loved ones. Now you know the steps we here at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill have to take when creating our Valentine's Day chocolate-covered strawberries. And you hopefully learned a few tips and tricks along the way, right? But do you have a way to save big once you come to visit us? No problem. I've got a cool discount for you, and you'll also get the inside scoop on some of the hottest ice cream and designer food trends in the industry. Click the link in the description below to get your savings, sneak peeks into the ice cream world, and more right now. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, over-the-top food for over-the-top memories. Come by and make some of your best over-the-top memories with us.